got the Mini MGT out here and I've just taken the exhaust off because, as you can see, it was leaking fuel everywhere yesterday. So you can see what's happened there. It's blown the exhaust gasket out. I need to put a new one on again. So we'll sort that out, and then hopefully we won't get all this mess, and hopefully it'll run a bit better as well. So let's clean that up and get a new gasket on there, then she should be good to go again, I think. So I've just cleaned the fuel off the back end and this side of the engine here. I've refitted it with a brand new exhaust gasket, as the old one was blown out. It's the same one, still a paper gasket. I've made sure to thread lock these screws nice and tight so they don't come loose. So hopefully that's all sorted now. For some reason I think the electrical issues might have something to do with this steering servo, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm going to replace it with this SRT high voltage brushless BH9027. This is extremely overkill, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I just don't really trust the electronics because it was running away yesterday. So now we've got the new brushless servo in, and as you can see, it's a lot faster than the old one. Don't think this battery is the best though, so it's not like super fast, but it is definitely a lot quicker than the other one it had in. I'll put the wheels on the ground as well so you can see. So yeah, it's pretty decent now. So yeah, that's sorted. Exhaust is sorted. Not sure whether that will have fixed the range issues, but we'll have to see. So here it is with the new body on. I did have to make a couple of small modifications to the new shell to get it to fit perfectly. But as you can see, it's looking a lot better than it did before now. Interesting paint scheme going on here. It looks like it's a little bit wonky, but who cares, it's a monster truck. So I'll show you quickly what I had to modify. So the holes and stuff come pre-drilled and it's pre-cut. So these were actually 6mm holes and they needed to be 7, so I drilled those out. I had to cut a tiny arch out the front bumper here, just so it didn't rub on this piece. And then also I had the same problem with the body post holes at the back here. They were 6.5mm, so I just drilled them out to 7. And then finally I've had to widen this hole round here. It only came to about here, and obviously the high speed needle was rubbing on the body, so I've just cut it out a little bit more there. I also have raised the body up as well. Originally it was on the green one, it was just 2 more holes down, so it is a little bit higher now, but I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, there it is with the new body. Just need to get the wheels and tyres sorted, the original wheels and tyres, and then it'll look pretty much new. These ones look a little bit small. They're not too bad, but they do look a tad bit small. These are off the Team Magic, as I've said previously. Might give it a run as it is and see how it goes. But the orange antenna tube that I chose matches quite well with the new body as well. Love the paint scheme on this. So yeah, that's it for this one. Goodbye.